Could you help me with my suitcase? Could you do me a favor? Could you open the window? Today we are focusing on could you, and we are asking for help, but more specifically for travel English. So today we will focus on hotel problems. We are dealing with 11 problems and we will show you how to solve these problems. Let's go. Here's the problem. There are no towels in your hotel room. That's not good, obviously. So now you have to go to the front desk and you have to tell them that you want some towels. But if you go to the front desk and you say, "Hey, towel, please," it's not going to be so good. So here is exactly how to solve the problem. First, you have to say, "Excuse me." Excuse me is always very polite. It is the best way to begin. Then you have to say what the problem is. After that, you have to ask them to do something for you. And this is an action request, right? Could you, and then a verb. What do you want these people to do for you? And finally, add please at the end because you really want to be polite. So, there are no towels in your hotel room. Here is how to do it. Excuse me, there are no towels in my room. Could you give me some towels, please? If you do this, your problem will be solved and you will be super polite. Okay? Now, your turn. One more time. You ready? Let's go. You got it? Nice. Now let's go to problem number 2. This is also a very common problem in a hotel. You forgot your key in your hotel room or you forgot your key card. Sometimes it's a real key, sometimes it's a card. So once again, start with this. Excuse me. What is the problem? The problem is at the top, right? I forgot my key card in my room. Now, this is the difficult part. What do you want the person to do for you? Could you open my door, please? Don't forget the please, right? Because the please at the end has a very, very good sound to it. And this will get you a lot of good service. Problem 3. The neighbors are too noisy. So, here you go. Now think about it. You ready? Let's go. Did you get it? I hope so. Excuse me, the neighbors are too noisy. Could you change my room, please? Excellent. You forgot your phone charger. It's also a very common problem. So one more time, think about it and let's try it. Excuse me, I forgot my phone charger. Could you lend me a charger, please? Next problem. Your shirt is wrinkled. So this is a wrinkled shirt and you need this item right here, okay? This is called an iron. Okay? Let's try it. Excuse me, my shirt is wrinkled. Could you lend me an iron, please? The sheets have not been changed. This happens sometimes. You get to your room and the bed is all messy and they have not changed the sheets yet. So, you have to ask. Excuse me, the sheets have not been changed. Could you change them, please? You and your friend got only one room key, but you need 2 keys if you want to do different things during the day. So you need to ask for an extra key. Excuse me, we got only one room key. Could you give me an extra key, please? You don't know where to have dinner because you are new in this city, so you don't know where the good places to eat are located. So you ask the front desk person. Let's go. Excuse me, I don't know where to have dinner. Could you recommend a good place, please? This one is a little bit more difficult. You have to wake up early in the morning. What are you going to ask? So this expression right here is important. Arrange a wake-up call. Excuse me, I have to wake up early tomorrow morning. Could you arrange a wake-up call for 7 a.m., please? The 11 a.m. checkout is too early for you. You want to sleep more. Excuse me, checkout is a little early. Could you arrange a late checkout for us, please? This problem happens all the time because your checkout is at 11 a.m., but your plane or your flight leaves only at 7 p.m. or something like this. So you need a place to store your luggage. Your luggage means all of your baggage, your suitcases, your bags. Okay, so what are you going to ask? Excuse me, my flight is at 7 p.m., but checkout is at 11 a.m. Could you keep my luggage until 5 p.m., please? This is one way, but you could have used also the same problem. Excuse me, I have nowhere to store my luggage after checkout. Could you keep my luggage until 5 p.m., please? Is also okay. Good job, guys. Hey, one last one. I need more YouTube subscribers. Could you subscribe, please? Please like us and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.